Isolation and HPTLC analysis of conditional amino acids from the fresh leaves of sessile joweed Alternanthera sessilis. By Swarnakumari S., Mohan S., Ida Christie V. E., Abhinaya S. and Kalevani S. Objective: the present study aimed to isolate the conditional amino acids present in the fresh leaf extracts of Alternanthera sessilis and compare the isolated amino acids with amino acid standards. Background: primary metabolites usually perform intrinsic functions and so present in all plants. Some common examples are carbohydrates, ethanol, lipids, nucleic acid and proteins. Secondary metabolites are usually not directly involved in growth, development or reproduction but are involved in defense function. Methods: the fresh plant material was used for extraction. For the extracted sample solution, paper chromatography and high-performance thin layer chromatography fingerprinting analysis were then carried out. Results: since Alternanthera sessilis is rich in protein, various amino acids have been isolated in aggregates and paper chromatography has been performed. Amino acids are separated and identified using trial and error method. Cysteine, glycine, aspartic acid and proline-like standard amino acids were used for comparing with the isolated amino acids by high-performance thin layer chromatography fingerprint analysis, giving an idea for the authentication of the plant, its constituents and also provide parameters for quality control. The result obtained by qualitative evaluation of HPTLC will be helpful in further quantitative estimation of each amino acid and also for standardization of herbal formulations containing this plant. Conclusion: the results scientifically validate the use of Alternanthera sessilis in traditional medicine and also as a food. The present study can be considered as a reference and can be used for validation of the plant usage. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.